Our sterile processing program here at MTECH teaches you a lot about the instrument in itself. So it teaches you the life cycle of the instrument, how to care for the instrument, how to wash it, assemble it, sterilize it. You learn all about the integrity of the instrument and how to make sure that that translates into the operating room as well. As you provide the integrity for those instruments, you put your name on each one of them. And so whether it's a baby that's being born or whether it's somebody coming in from a trauma accident, we know exactly the person that had specialized that instrument and took care of the human who is needing help. So we'll teach you mainly about the operating room. We'll also teach you about labor and delivery, about wound care, emergency department, respiratory, any clinics. You become a certified instrument specialist across the entire board. Another thing that you should know about our sterile processing program here at MTECH is that we have a 500-hour externship. In this externship, you go to the hospital and you work with your sterile processing team and your operating room team using all the skills that you utilized here and transfer them into our operating room and to our sterile processing. I think if you're interested in this program, you would do really well in it if you're more introverted. A lot of this program is self-motivated and self-driven, and so when you get out into the field, you're going to be working more so on like an assembly line. We are specializing in instruments here and not necessarily a patient interaction. We'll teach you how to pass the Certified Registered Central Sterile Technician, or the CRCST. This certification is international, so you can work anywhere in the world. After that, you can go on to specialize into instruments, into becoming a vendor, into a healthcare leader, and so on. It allows you to move on into leadership and management, and then hopefully you can also direct your own operating room team.